Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is flosstube day, and it is my 273rd floss tube, and we have our March cup for one more week, so yay. What a week. Yeah, it was like AliExpress week. I didn't expect all that to come in one whole week, but we only had two basic reviews. One was for FG Normal, and the rest of it all came from AliExpress. So we will just get to it, I guess. Yeah, it was kind of slow at work. It was windy and everything else, so yeah, it wasn't suitable to go anywhere or do anything exciting. So we just stayed home and stitched. All right, now this first one that I have here, this is in no particular rhyme or reason. This is what I got from FG Normal yesterday. Isn't she pretty? Yeah, I just love that. Now, I didn't do any stitching when I got home. Trying to figure out where we did start. Holy cow. Start on that lovely teal. So, I'll try to get some more stitches into that this week. If it can't, oh, we are not going there. It won't fit back in the bag. And the next one in this pile is my, I'm making sure it's right side up, cranes that I got from AliExpress. They're so pretty. And I can't tell, I guess it is right side up. Yep, they're just flying at each other, so it kind of looked weird. And of course I have thread. Let me just get it to the top. I love it when the thread just sticks to my hands. It's awesome. So the only thing that I got done was that little corner. And did I? Nope, they didn't think I got back to that either. So, yeah. There's some things just not happening this week. I had too much going on, I think. Nope, we don't want that one next. Trying to think. That's not a new start. Trying to get this out. Now this is that house. Hang on, I gotta get everything undone. This is what I call Wonderland. With the if I have a picture, I'll put it right in here. But it's 14 count. And, oh goodness, yes, of course there's thread. So, I'm trying to see. It's easier to show you here because you really can't tell. There's some up here that we did. And then I went down here to start on that building that's on the right-hand side. And that doesn't even look like I did anything, really. You really can't see that color. You can barely see it down here. So, yep, I like this. I like the way it looks. And, of course, we'll keep right at it. Another one in a crinkly bag. I'm telling you. It was the week of crinkle bags. I tried to, hold please. Get things into the smaller bags if they would fit, and otherwise, yeah. The next one are these gorgeous peonies. Oops, that is too shiny. So we started on this side. Aren't they beautiful? They're just absolutely stunning. So I worked a little bit on that. But if I could just get that to come out of there, we will have it made. And I'm trying to figure out, holy cow. Okay, so, and we did this for, I think the March Saturday stitching, so I had started right here. So I've started putting more pink. So these threads are the extra threads. I just wanted to try to get one of the blossoms done. I didn't succeed, but yeah. So I like this. It's easy to stitch on. So yay. What is this? Okay. And one more. There's a week of starts, believe me. This one is what I call Busy Ladies. And it was from AliExpress as par. Now, I started up here for the video, and I'm trying to keep the glare off of it, in this tree. And I thought, well, I want to see what her face looks like, so I started to do her face. And we didn't get very far. Still have extra colors to go up there. That is a bright green, isn't it? Holy cow. And then, let me see if I can get the crazy needle out of the way. And just hold it and hold that. So I started to put it in her face. So I've almost got that background color, and I'll have to come back and do all the lines. So, yep, that's all the further I got with that. And my hand has been driving me insane. I have no idea. It's not really my hand. It's more this thumb part. It's like this joint. Like I've overstitched, I guess. It beats the heck out of me. I didn't think I was stitching that hard or for that long. And that, I believe, is all that I started. I'm trying to figure out when the, yeah, because last week was the 18th. Maybe this says I started it on the 19th. So it might have been last week. We'll go with this too. And I'll show you what kind of progress. This I call Houses and Mountains. I think it's actually called Houses at the foot of the mountains. Try to hold it a little closer and as still as I possibly can. I love this. I guess this was earlier in the week. That's why I don't remember working on it. Or, you know, what day I actually started it. God. Of course, it's 100 feet wide. Hold, please. There'll be a hot moment. So this is the upper right-hand side. And I did get that much of that, I don't know, mountain that comes across here. So, yeah, it's coming along awesome. So I just do like one strip of the color, you know, and then just fill it in, and it's really, really nice. And I like that they put, see all those numbers? It's easy to kind of look ahead and see if you, oh, I got that symbol here, so it's the same one as down here, so I can just keep going and leave all those numbers. Does that make sense? I hope I said that right. So that, if I can get this back together, I think is everything new that we did. Then I got out this one because I found it on my way to find other things. I need a drink. It's wearing me out. And it's just called Pattern. And I don't do, but I can't remember. FG Normal as well, but I've had this for a hot moment. So I've been working down in here. But I got it out a little bit and I'll show you. Of course, I have the black thread that I'm working with. So I have finished, this is the bottom left-hand corner, so this motif is finished, and I believe that one is finished. This one's still being worked on. That's partially done. It's just got a few more colors to go into it. And then I decided I would put, let me fold it in half because arms aren't doing that. Start on this checkerboard thing that goes all the way around. It's done in 310 black. Is it upside down? No. I don't know why it's showing me things backwards. So if it's backwards, I apologize. Heaven knows, my phone lately has had a mind of its own. So I worked on it a little bit on, I think it was Sunday night? No, or maybe it was before I went to work on Monday. I don't know. Lost track. And this is Kitzilla from, I believe, Fan Cells. So I've been working, and it's called Watertown Memory. Been still working in this corner. I've been trying to get this, we'll call it part of the building, and this side right in here, and get everything filled in. So, yeah, it's coming along. But I love this. This side of the canvas has been superb compared to when I started on the top right-hand corner of this. I couldn't hardly see the symbols, but this has not been that. So, I get it out. I worked on this probably 2 hours, maybe, on, what was that, Saturday? Might have been Sunday. I don't know. I just kept stitching. Yeah. And that is everything, I'm looking to make sure, that we did last week. This week, we'll probably have some reviews. I'm not expecting anything more from AliExpress. I did order one Monday. Yeah. Just one. And it'll be a couple of weeks before that ever shows up. So, but other than that it'll be reviews and stitch with me's all week. And is it? Nope. We have one more weekend. I keep doing that to myself. One more weekend of the green in March. So after this weekend, next Saturday, we'll have April stitching, and in April it will be birds. Whatever kind of birds you want, real birds, imagined birds, cross-stitch, diamond painting, whatever craft you do. Join us on Saturday at 1 Mountain Standard Time, USA. And I think that is about it, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. My hair, it's so dry here, and every time I touch my hair, it goes ching, just like when I was a small child, or somebody come up with a balloon. Yeah, I'm not having that again. All right, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye bye. Keep stitching.